Good morning. Welcome back up to our homestead up here in southern Utah. We are out here playing in the snow right now. Kinda. Getting the day started, feeding the kitties, letting the dogs play. I wanted to show you guys over in the shoulder shed. In our last video, we put up that temperature doohickey thingamabob in here, and I wanted to see how it's doing with that heater in there. So let's go check it out. It's about 48 degrees, which I think I want it to be a little hotter. So I think I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. I think it's on 2. I think I'm gonna put it to 3, see what that does.
I think I can take these off now. It's so bright outside.
All right, we just came up to the cabin. Today we are gonna be doing some cabinet layout. Because I mean, cabinets are taking a while to come in. I don't know if we're gonna order custom ones or if we're gonna order just like the already built prefab ones from the big box store.
Yeah.
I don't know. We're gonna go measure, make sure, or figure out exactly what we need, and then also try to figure out that wall that's on the side by there, because I think it's load bearing, or at least, so we might be able to minimize it a little bit and figure out how to maybe put a header board or something. I'm not sure. So we're gonna go figure that out and try to come up with a game plan today.
Let's go.
I'm in the cabin and I'm moving these propane lines for the propane lights, and I unhooked it and I pushed it back over here to get it out of the way, and it flung back just like a spring and just whacked me right in the face. That's why I'm bleeding right now. My wife's grabbing a napkin or something to wipe my face off and see the damage. It hurt a little bit, but I'll be all right. She's some snow.
Like anything. What's that?
Snow?
I don't know where our wipes went.
It's okay. I have snow. Oh yeah, there's like a little split in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, got me. Got me. I'll be right though.
Some peroxide?
Maybe later when we get home. Yeah, it got me a little bit. So the couch will be here. I think we might even have room for like little tables on the side maybe. I don't know how wide the couch is.
Yeah.
And then go ahead.
That. And then the 2 chairs over there.
Yeah, and then we can have these exposed eaves. That'll be cool. That'll do. It'll make the space. And then I don't think we'll have enough for like a table in the middle, but maybe we'll see what happens when we get there.
Yeah.
But it should be fine. So the kitchen island is gonna go here. You're standing on the island right now like a dancing.
Well, I can't.
I know. We can just do a smaller sink so that we just have more room for eating and stuff, you know?
Like here.
More counter space.
This is gone.
Yeah, that's gone, yeah. Then we can have bar stools, like maybe 3. Okay, go. We don't have like a set spot.
So then you'll have this here. You'll have that there.
So you got a fridge, and then a little cabinet, and then a stove, and then a little cabinet.
And then you have to make sure there's enough room.
Yeah, we
When
got
you
3,
do
we
that,
have 3
it's like-
feet. And I think when you open it, it's there's a foot extra space.
Oh my gosh, there's nothing like testing a marriage with.
It's not even our house.
It's not even our house. And I'm like, let's do this. And he's like, well, let's do this. And I'm like, well, what about this? And he's like, well, no. And I'm like,
we don't like each other's ideas, but I think we compromised, came up with that idea. We're gonna show it to you right now.
I'm just kidding.
No. It's like half and half. We compromised together. Obviously.
We did. I love you. Thank you.
Love you.
Even after he
Yeah, my wife beat me. No, I'm just kidding.
happens, you don't listen to me. Just kidding.
Here, check it out. Now, let me show you. All right, so the kitchen used to be over here, and until about an hour ago, it was going to be over here, but now we're going to put it over here. We're going to get rid of this propane sub out. Fridge right here, 12-volt fridge. Then we're going to have a little cabinet. Then we're going to put the stove, and then we're going to have another cabinet. And then, I don't know about the countertops yet, if we make it concrete countertops, not sure. After the cabinets are done, we're not doing upper cabinets, we're just gonna do shelving. Just makes it more open. It's just a rental place, so it's not like you don't need to store a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna do a couple shelves where you can store all your plates and cups and all that stuff. And then, I don't know if you can see this blue line right here, this chalk line. There's only two sides of it. We're gonna have an island. It's 5 feet by 3 feet, but the cabinets are only gonna be 2 feet. So if it overhangs, the countertop overhangs a foot, so we can put bar stools around it, because this is gonna be the kitchen / eating place. And then we're gonna put the kitchen sink right here in the middle. Before it was a double sink, now we're just gonna get like a single one, maybe a little smaller, so we have a little bit more space for counter space, and also just so people will sit and eat. And then, do you wanna show them about this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this used to be a bathroom.
Two bathrooms.
And now we're gonna change this into the living room. It's gonna be like a couch back here. We have to keep this because I think load bearing, and so we're gonna keep this. So we're gonna do like a little mini table around here with a couple chairs that'll go right here facing towards the couch and be over there. I'm hoping that a pull-out couch will fit here. I want to do a cool accent wall. I definitely want to keep these. I think they're neat. I want to clean them up, paint them, and I want this like peak to show. This will be the living room area, and then this is probably going to be kind of like a desk area. Over here is going to be kind of like your mud area. Bench will get like a crate to put your boots in, hanger jackets, and some baskets or whatever. We'll make it cute. It's not gonna be ugly, I promise. Okay. I don't have like blueprints. I don't have architectural plans. I don't have anything. So it's literally wing it and make it look good.
Fake it till you make it. That's what we're doing. It's our life. That's our motto. It was my motto.
That's not my motto.
It's mine for sure. Yeah, but it is cold. It is getting cold, and the kids are beating on the door right now.
I don't know why. I think we're gonna... Oh, because that plate's in the way, huh?
I think we're gonna head out from the cabin. I have a meeting in like 45 minutes. So I think we're gonna head out, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that
So today I feel like it's like we didn't accomplish anything, but we got a floor plan and we got a
layout. We got figured out cabinets and that type of thing.
So I'm feeling a lot better about our trip down here, because it definitely took us a couple hours to try and sort out the placement of everything.
Yeah, because once it's in, it's permanent.
Yeah, so it's like making sure that you have all the things that you need. Things like the stove opens up and doesn't hit anything. They're like doors open and they don't get in the way of anything. And
but I think we got a good game plan.
Yes.
And yeah, we're headed back to the house now. We're just gonna relax. It is cold today. At least I'm cold. Like I can't get the chill out of me. We'll probably see you guys in the morning.
Yeah, but it was so fun. I wouldn't do this with anybody else. I love you.
I love you too.
You're like, I would do this with anybody else.
No, I wouldn't. Absolutely not. I love you.
I love you too.
Good morning.
Afternoon. Late afternoon.
Good afternoon.
3 p.m. afternoon. Someone's not feeling that great.
I'm not feeling good. My ears are popping. My head cold.
Sinuses are going crazy. Got that headache.
Anyway, but work must go on.
Yes.
We're at the cabin. Yesterday we were here and we were trying to find the cabinet layout. We found it, and then we were under the impression that we had to keep this middle stud, but then we talked to the ranch manager and he came out here and looked at everything, and he's like, it looks like you can just take the whole wall out, which is even
So exciting.
Way better than we wanted to. So we're here right now. We're gonna take this wall out and then kind of just reassess the cabinet layout and just make sure what we're gonna do is gonna work. And I think it's gonna be perfect. So we're excited to
get the ball rolling.
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, Daddy.
Let's go.
Take it out.
I'm sure. Okay.
You can do it.
I've already cut.
I feel so bad for him. I hate when he doesn't feel good. It's like the worst. If I don't feel good or he doesn't feel good, the whole family is struggling. The moment of truth. We're down to the one board. It's 1 2x4.
I know.
Ah. We'll see how it goes. That is so cool. It opened that space up so much.
All right, I got this wall down. Now we're gonna try to rip this thing out. I don't know anything else to do besides cut it. So Larry, good old Larry, lent us this big, huge saw. And we don't have a generator up right now, so we're gonna use one of our battery things. And hopefully it's enough to cut this thing. We're gonna find out right now.
What is that, like cast iron?
It's cast, yeah, I don't know. It's probably, I think it's steel. It has an orange spark to it, which means it's steel.
Whew. That's what they used to use in the olden days before they got that plastic stuff, eh?
Eh? Eh? Pretty much. That is so heavy. Crap.
Do we need to go underneath?
Maybe that flange might be this flange right here. Oh, there's like a hanger. There's a hanger right there. You can see it. That's a big old bazooka.
It looks like a potato gun.
That's a big potato. This is where I shoot grenade RPGs. No?
Take your bazooka to the trash can.
It wouldn't be this much. Oh my god, this thing is like probably 150 pounds.
Oh my gosh, it's like carrying me outside.
It feels like there's a lot of tension on it.
Oh,
There she goes.
boom. There goes one piece. Is there anything I can do to help you?
Huh? We just need to get this piece out of it. Probably be able to just pull it out from the top.
Wow, there's almost room for activities. Whew, so much room for activities.
Looks like we're gonna raise this thing up a little bit.
What are you raising up the
It's
floor?
like- yeah, you can see like this.
You almost need like a bracing underneath.
Well, we're gonna replace this joist under the bottom of it anyways. Looks like we gotta raise it up, get it more level, and then measure it, and then we have that pressure treated wood that we're gonna put in there and brace everything.
We only spent a couple of hours here at the cabin, but it had a big turnaround right now. Like just getting rid of that structure in the center right there and that pole and the cast iron, whatever it is.
The drain.
The drain.
And the yeah.
Getting rid of all the shenanigans so I can create a living room is so exciting.
I'm so much taller than you.
Well, get off the 2x4s.
Anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video.
I hope you guys are enjoying our journey. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in a few days.
See you in a few days.